pets by nature get very anxious when it comes to fireworks because the sound is too loud for them. It's a little traumatic. Make sure that dogs especially have an identification tag on them with their number, so that in case by chance they escape from the house because of the fireworks, it's easier to catch hold of your dog. He will not get lost. The second thing is make sure that you make your dogs walk before the firework episode starts, because don't take them out for a walk in the evenings when we're expecting fireworks. Pets will try to hide when fireworks start, which is okay. Let them hide. So if your dog goes under the bed, don't try and pull it out. Let him be there. You can shut all the doors and windows at that time and make sure you play the TV or music or something like that to calm your dog down, or keep them busy with a chew toy or other toys to distract them, or maybe even food. Chew toys are one thing, they help a lot with anxiety. You get a lot of pheromone dispensers also. These are basically hormones that allow for calming the animal down during such episodes of fireworks. With cats, the pheromone dispensers work a lot better, but you should consult your vet on what can be used best for your pet before you invest in any of these products. If you have a bird in a cage, it's better to keep it enclosed in the cage and to cover the cage so that it is less traumatic. And also for them, the smoke causes more of a problem, so you may want to be careful with that. So kind of, just shut all the doors and windows. Definitely keep your pets away from sweets, especially dogs. Dry fruits also are not very safe for dogs, especially dry raisins. They should be completely out of bounds because they can cause toxicity. Even if you have chocolates, boxes of chocolates coming home for Diwali, just please be careful. Chocolate is toxic for dogs and for cats. Stray dogs in Diwali, the worst thing that happens is because there's such a lot of sound happening, they go from one territory to another, and there they are pretty much lost. So if a stray finds their way into your building, try and give them food and make them comfortable. Try and give them an area where they can kind of hide while the firework thing happens.